Yo, family. Here we go. This Sharon's Miss S project. This is a biodigester system that is going to take what do you call it, all the waste, that's the poo from this house. With this system, when the waste comes in, it will convert your waste into renewable form of energy. It also saves you from cause of dislodging, that is pulling your waste out with time to time. With this system, you don't pull the waste out again. It converts your waste into renewable form of energy, hence your system doesn't get full. Work is ongoing, workers are on site, everything looking good and taking shape. Here is Sharon's house, as you can see. Nicely built, taking shape. Yeah. Yeah, we take more videos and use it to explain the concept to you as we progress. The small hole you can see at the back of the big one is the expansion chamber. So when we get there, we take video and use it to explain the concept to you. Catch you later. All right.